Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here. I'm over in Maresfield in East Sussex and just wanted to show you a really cool feature on this gym. There's some more works going on here. Our contractor's coming in to do some patio work, and actually we've got M8 coming in to run some new gym equipment. But just for today, I wanted to share with you this recessed roof. What we've done is we've kept the building under the 2.5 rule, our standard kite, but we've created a recessed roof by insetting that middle section. That's got it's got the wash lights in it. Let me just turn those off. That might help you give a visualization. So we've created that recess, and that's worked perfectly to work with the cross trainer, and even potentially a running machine could go there as well. And it's just a new feature that we've been working on with the downlights. Actually look really nice, fitted perfectly with the sauna that's been installed. So the rest of the building will be furnished and gym equipment brought in over the next few weeks. But for now, I just wanted to show you that recessed roof. It's a really good way of creating a little bit of extra headroom without the need of going for planning. What we can't do is obviously have downlights in that section because that creates the cavity for that, but we've actually kept the same insulation within that. So you gain about 70 millimeters, which could make all the difference when it comes to some of the gym equipment, and avoided needing to go for planning. So there you go, that's our first recess roof from one of our standard kite pre-designs.